In today's video, we are going to find out whether GTA 5 is free on the Epic Games Store and how you can quickly check it yourself. Right now, GTA 5 is not available for free on the Epic Games Store. Many players still search for this because the game was once given away for free, which made it extremely popular. However, Epic Games still offers free games on a regular basis. New titles are usually added to the free games section every week, so it's always worth checking. To see the current free games, simply open the Epic Games Store launcher or visit the Epic Games Store website, then go to the free games section. This page shows all the games you can claim for free at that moment. It's also a good idea to follow Epic Games on social media so you can get updates whenever a new free games is announced. And before claiming any free games, make sure two-factor authentication is enabled on your Epic account because some offers require it. So, even though GTA 5 isn't free right now, checking the free games section regularly ensures you never miss a future giveaway. And that's how you check if GTA 5 is free on Epic. Share this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.